What if I told you that just 10 minutes every morning could ignite your fat-burning engine for the entire day? No complicated diets, no expensive equipment, just your body, a little space, and this powerful routine. Stay with me until the end because each minute counts, and by the last exercise you'll feel the fire in your belly fat starting to melt away. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome to your 10-minute morning belly fat burner. If you've been struggling to lose that stubborn belly fat, this quick yet powerful routine is your new secret weapon. It's designed to kickstart your metabolism, activate your core, and keep burning calories long after you've finished. Why does this work so well? Because morning workouts tap into your body's natural fat-burning state after sleep. You don't need a gym-heavy equipment or even an empty stomach, just 10 minutes and the commitment to stay with me until the very end. Each of the 10 exercises we're about to do is carefully selected to target your belly area, engage your full body, and create an afterburn effect that keeps torching calories all day. I'll guide you step by step with modifications for beginners and an extra push for those ready to challenge themselves. So here's my only rule: don't skip ahead, don't quit early. Every exercise is designed to flow into the next one, creating a compound fat-burning effect. The people who see real results are the ones who finish what they start, and today that's you. Take a deep breath, grab a bottle of water, and let's begin this journey to a slimmer, more energized you starting right now. Exercise 1. Standing high knees. We're starting with a fat-burning favorite, standing high knees. Stand tall, engage your core, and lift your knees as high as possible while pumping your arms like you're running in place. Aim for 30 seconds of controlled yet powerful movement. Why is this our warm-up? Because it wakes up your entire body, increases your heart rate, and immediately starts burning calories while activating your core. Every knee drive should feel like you're crunching your abs. Pull them in tight with each lift. Beginners go at a moderate pace and focus on form. Advanced viewers add a slight hop with every knee lift or increase your speed to make it more intense. The key here is consistency. Keep moving without long breaks. You might feel your thighs warming up and your breath quickening. That's your body switching from idle to fat-burning mode. Imagine every step pumping oxygen into your belly fat zone, telling your metabolism, wake up, it's time to burn. This is more than just movement, it's momentum. By the time we finish this first move, your body is primed, your core is engaged, and your fat-burning engine is ready to run all day. Keep going, 5 more seconds and relax. Shake your legs lightly, sip some water if you need it, because we're about to turn things up even more with exercise 2. Exercise 2. Plank to knee tap. Get down on your mat or floor and start in a plank position. Hands under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Now slowly lift your right knee and tap it toward your right elbow, then back. Alternate sides. This exercise targets your belly fat like a laser. The plank itself engages your entire core, and the knee taps activate those deep abdominal muscles, the ones that flatten your stomach and create real change. Don't rush this one. Controlled movement equals deeper burn. Beginners can drop to their knees and still tap side to side. Advanced, add a slight twist with each tap or hold the plank for an extra second between each tap. You'll start to feel your arms, shoulders, and abs all working together. That's exactly what we want. More muscle groups mean more calories burned. Every tap is like chiseling away at that stubborn belly fat. Picture it. With each knee drive, you're breaking down the wall around your waistline. Stay strong because this is where the magic begins. 5 more taps and release. Breathe in deep because next we're taking it back up to standing for a cardio core blast. Exercise 3. Jumping jacks. This isn't your childhood jumping jack, this is the fat-burning core sculpting version. Start with your classic jumping jack motion: feet apart, arms overhead, then back together. But here's the twist: each time your feet come together, squeeze your core tight like someone's about to tickle your stomach. Why this tweak? Because it turns a simple cardio move into a belly fat blaster. You're engaging your abs every single rep while keeping your heart rate high. Beginners step side to side instead of jumping, still squeeze that core. Advanced, add a double bounce or hold your hands overhead for longer to increase the burn. You should feel your heart pumping faster now. This cardio element keeps your fat-burning engine roaring, not just during the workout, but for hours after. It's called the afterburn effect. Breathe in rhythm, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Focus on the squeeze. Picture your waistline getting tighter, stronger, more defined with each rep. Keep going, 10 more seconds. Don't slow down now. And rest. Exercise 4. Mountain climbers. Back to the mat. Start in a high plank position, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. Now drive your knees toward your chest, one at a time, as if you're running against the floor. Keep your core tight and your hips steady, no bouncing. Mountain climbers are one of the fastest ways to torch calories while sculpting your abs. Each knee drive engages your lower belly while your shoulders and arms stabilize your upper body. Beginners slow down and focus on controlled knee drives. Advanced viewers increase your speed to a sprint. Imagine the floor is a treadmill and you're chasing that flat belly dream. This exercise doesn't just burn fat, it wakes up your metabolism like a morning coffee shot. With every drive, your core muscles contract, your heart rate climbs, and your body starts its all-day burn mode. Stay strong. Keep your shoulders stacked over your wrists and breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel that fire building in your midsection? That's your transformation zone. 10 seconds left. Faster now if you can. Roll your shoulders, shake out your arms, because next we're going to target your obliques with a standing crunch. Exercise 5. Standing side crunches. Stand tall with your hands behind your head. Now lift your right knee toward your right elbow as you crunch your side. Lower, then switch sides. It's a side-to-side rhythm, like you're bringing your rib cage closer to your hip. This move attacks your obliques, those side belly areas that create love handles when they store fat. We're tightening and toning them, no equipment needed. Beginners go slow and focus on the squeeze. The real magic happens when you contract your side abs at the top. Advanced, add a small hop between each crunch or hold the squeeze for a second longer. As you move, imagine carving a V shape down your waistline. Each lift is like trimming a little extra from those stubborn sides. Stay light on your feet. Don't pull your neck, let your abs do the work. Breathe out as you crunch in as you lower. Keep the rhythm going, left, right. 10 more reps. Feel that tightening? That's your core waking up for the day. And relax. Shake it out, because now we're heading back to the mat for a move that sculpts your lower abs. Exercise 6. Plank hip dips. Lower yourself into a forearm plank position, elbows directly under your shoulders, forearms flat on the floor, and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Now, with your core braced and your glutes slightly engaged, slowly rotate your hips to the right until they almost touch the ground, then bring them back to the center and twist to the left. Keep alternating sides in a controlled, fluid motion. Plank hip dips are one of the most effective moves for carving out your waistline. They work your obliques, strengthen your deep abdominal muscles, and challenge your core stability. Each dip is like tightening a belt around your stomach, pulling everything in and creating that flat, toned look. Beginners keep the dips small and focus on control rather than speed. Advanced, lower your hips as close to the ground as possible and add a slight pause at each side for a more intense contraction. As you twist, imagine you are wringing out excess belly fat each rotation, squeezing your midsection tighter. Breathe deeply, exhale as you dip, inhale as you return to center. Avoid sagging your lower back, think about pulling your belly button toward your spine. Stay with me, keep your shoulders steady, your movements slow, and your mind focused. 10 seconds left. You're nearly there. Slowly lower down, stretch your arms forward, and take a deep breath. Your core is alive now, and we're just getting stronger. Exercise 7. Flutter kicks. Lie flat on your back and place your hands under your hips to support your lower back. Extend your legs fully and lift them about 6 to 12 inches off the ground. Begin to gently flutter your legs up and down like swimming kicks, keeping your toes pointed and your core engaged. Flutter kicks are a powerhouse for the lower abdominal area, which is often the most stubborn part when it comes to belly fat. This move engages your lower abs, continuously forcing them to stay tight and active for the entire duration. Beginners can keep their legs slightly higher to reduce strain, while advanced viewers can lower them closer to the ground for a deeper burn. The key is small, quick, controlled movements. Avoid swinging your legs wildly, as that can strain your lower back. As you kick, keep your head and shoulders relaxed, or for an extra challenge, lift your head slightly and look at your feet. Breathe steadily, short inhales and exhales to keep your muscles oxygenated. Visualize this: each flutter is a step closer to a flatter, stronger core. Feel that heat building in your lower belly? That's transformation happening. Stay with me 15 more seconds. Hug your knees to your chest for a moment, feel that tension releasing, and get ready for a move that will twist and tighten your entire waistline. Exercise 8. Russian twists. Sit comfortably on the floor with your knees bent and heels lightly touching the ground. Lean back slightly so your torso forms a V shape with your thighs. Clasp your hands together or hold a light object like a water bottle for added resistance. Now, rotate your torso to the right, touch the floor beside your hip, then twist to the left. That's 1 rep. Russian twists target your obliques, transverse abdominis, and deep core muscles. They're incredibly effective for sculpting the sides of your waist and building a strong, stable midsection. Beginners can keep their feet flat for more stability, while advanced viewers can lift their feet a few inches off the ground and increase their speed without losing control. The secret here is to rotate from your core, not just your arms. Imagine your belly button turning side to side, wringing out that excess fat around your waist like twisting a towel. Breathe out as you twist, inhale as you return to center. Feel your core working to control every motion. With each twist, envision your waistline becoming more defined, tighter, stronger. Stay with me. Twist, tap, twist, tap. 15 seconds left. Keep your chest open, your movements deliberate, your focus sharp. Sit up straight, take a deep breath, and prepare for a burst of power. The next one is a metabolism igniter. Exercise 9. Burpee reaches. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees, place your hands on the ground, and jump your feet back into a plank. Then quickly jump them forward. Stand up tall and reach your arms toward the ceiling as if grabbing the morning sky. That's one burpee reach. This move is a full-body fat burner. It combines cardio strength and core activation into a single explosive motion. Every burpee you do sends your heart rate soaring, your metabolism firing, and your belly fat melting. Beginners can step their feet back one at a time instead of jumping. Advanced viewers can add a jump at the top or even a clap overhead for extra intensity. Burpees are tough, but they're transformative. Each rep burns more calories than most standard exercises, and when done in the morning, they set your body into an all-day calorie burning mode. Keep your movements smooth. Plank, jump and reach high. Engage your core each time you land in plank. That's where the magic happens. Stay with me. 5 more reps. Feel that sweat? That's your body's way of saying thank you. Reach for the sky and lower down. You've got one final exercise left, and it's all about recovery and rewarding your hard work. Exercise 10. Cool down belly stretch. Lie face down on your mat with your palms under your shoulders. Gently press through your hands, lifting your chest off the floor while keeping your hips grounded. This is a gentle cobra stretch, perfect for opening up your abdominal muscles after all that intense core work. As you hold this position, focus on slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, expand your belly, then exhale through your mouth, and let any remaining tension melt away. This stretch helps increase blood flow to your core, aiding recovery and preventing stiffness. Beginners keep your elbows bent and lift just enough to feel a stretch without strain. Advanced, straighten your arms fully, open your chest wide, and tilt your chin slightly upward. Take this moment to reflect. In just 10 minutes, you've activated your metabolism, challenged your core, and taken a real step toward reducing belly fat. Your heart rate is coming down now, but your body will keep burning calories long after this video ends. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Inhale, feel your stomach stretch. Exhale, release the tension. 1 more big inhale and exhale slowly. Lower yourself, gently roll to your side, and push up to seated. Smile, you've just completed your 10-minute belly fat burner. And that's it. 10 minutes, 10 moves, a full day fat burning start. How do you feel? Energized? Awake? More in control of your belly fat than you were just minutes ago? Here's the truth, it's not about doing a 2-hour workout. It's about showing up for yourself every single morning, even if it's just 10 minutes. These small, consistent actions create the big changes you've been waiting for. If you finished this routine, you've already done more than most people today. But don't stop here. Do this workout daily for the next 14 days, and watch your core tighten, your energy rise, and your confidence grow. Now here's my challenge for you. Comment below with "I'm in" if you're ready to commit to this. I'll be checking the comments and cheering you on personally because I want to see you succeed. And if you want even faster results, I've linked a free 7-day morning fat loss plan in the description. It's the perfect next step after this video. Before you go, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's quick workout. Share this with a friend because doing it together doubles your motivation. Remember, the hardest part isn't the workout, it's showing up. And today you showed up. So stand tall, own this win, and let your body burn belly fat all day long. See you in the next video.